Hey y'all, it's dinner time and today we have some Szechuan beef. So it has broccoli, I almost said chicken. It has beef and it has carrots and it has some other stuff, some celery. And yeah, let's dig in. I'm gonna try to find a bite that's a nice big chunk of chicken. Beef, thank you. Broccoli. We got the habanero sauce. It's supposed to be spicy, but I like the extra heat. Come on. I think I'm supposed to use chopsticks, but I'm not very good with chopsticks. Everything seems to be falling off the fork, though, too. Yeah. This stuff is amazing. Yellowbird, call me. Y'all, people are awesome. Let me know how you make your hot sauce. We'd love to share more products with our audience. Yeah. Really good. I didn't make this. I ordered tonight. One of those nights. All right, y'all. Enjoy dinner.